Good morning everyone, welcome to our distance learning class. Okay, so today we start lesson 1, first the bad news. And in fact this lesson we start in the last video already about the pollution and air pollution, right? So now 1.2 here is about water pollution. So in this picture you can see the water is not clean, right? There are many dust, many dirty things like the here you see the bottle. There are many like the pepper, the leaf of the plant, the bottle, the plastic, etc. So here it can cause the water, it pollute the water, so the water cannot be used anymore. It cannot be used by animal, aquatic animal like the fish, or human also cannot drink this water. So water pollution is the addition of any substance that has a negative effect on water or the living thing that depend on water. What are the causes of water pollution? So we can divide into 2 points of pollution and non-points of pollution. When we talk about points of pollution, it means we can know the specific location where it come from. Example, from drain pipe, ditch, sewer lines, etc. But non-points of pollution, it means we cannot know the location. We cannot notice where it come from. It can come from everywhere. Okay, example, it come from agriculture, industrial, residential, runoff, etc. So it can be from marine dumping. Here the waste are thrown in the sea. It come from the industrial waste. Here the wastewater flow flow in the water source, etc. And it can be from household or come from the oil spill. Here are the cause of water pollution. So when there are the water is polluted, it can kill the fish in the water also. Okay, so the effect of water pollution is what? So it can affect human health by drinking contaminated water. Example, this water is like that when you drink. Okay, so it can contain many pathogens. It can cause by when you swim in the polluted water or contact with the chemical in the polluted water, etc. So here the effect of it will affect to human health. So you know what the disease that can caused by the drinking or contact with the water, the polluted water or toxic water like that. So it can cause diarrhea, vomiting, typhoid, diphtheria, skin lesion, nerve disorder, kidney damage, or hepatitis, etc. So it can contain virus, bacteria, or fungi in that dirty water. So you should not drink this. Okay, so here are the disease that caused by water pollution. Now we move to number 1.3 about soil pollution. Okay, here are many causes. It can come from erosion, mining, plastic, household waste, or agriculture. But let's look the meaning of soil pollution. What is soil pollution? So soil pollution is the contaminating of soil with harmful substance that can adversely affect the quality of soil and the health of those living on it. Okay, so you can see the land or the soil is damaged because of the waste, because of the activity of human, etc. Now you can see the cause of soil pollution. Okay, it can caused by the sewage from landfill, the discharge of industrial waste into the soil, percolation of contaminated water into the soil, rupture of underground storage tank, excess application of pesticide, herbicide or fertilizer, solid waste sewage, deforestation and soil erosion. Okay, so here are the cause of soil pollution. It can cause like that. Okay, soil erosion, seepage from landfill is like that, and industrial waste, you see, and deforestation. So the forest is compare, I mean it cover the land, right? The field, the land or the soil. So when we cut all the tree like that, so I mean the soil is filled with the sunlight, so and then the heat of the sunlight can they make the fertilizer of the soil also. Okay, so now the effect of soil pollution. Pollution run off into river and kill the fish, plant and other aquatic life. Crop and food grown on polluted soil may pass the pollutant on to the consumer. Okay, when we eat it, when we eat the plant that grow in the polluted soil, so it affect our health also. Polluted soil may no longer grow crop and fodder. Okay, so it means that it cannot grow also the plant in the polluted soil like that. Soil structure is damaged. Yeah, clay ionic structure impair. So it means the soil structure is damaged. It means it can become clay or whatever, and then cannot grow anymore, cannot grow plant or okay. Corrosion of foundation and pipeline may release vapor of hydrocarbon into building and cellar, may create toxic dust, may poison children play in the area.